Hi guys, this is Navdeep from Delhi Immigration Services. Today we have Mr. Pratyush with us. He got the Canada study visa after one refusal and after one program change as well. We'll just get into detail and ask him actually about his education background. So welcome, Mr. Pratyush. Many congratulations to you first of all about the approval. Very happy for you, sir, that you've got it. So very happy for you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for all your help, and thank you so much, sir. It's all because of you, sir.
You deserved it. So, can you talk us through your academic background and also your work experience as well?
Sure, sir. So I completed my 10th in 2011, then I completed my 12th in 2013, and from 2014 till 2019, I did BBA LLB. Um, and I had 1 year of law firm experience after that. I did internships as well in Bombay High Court and with other law firms as well during my graduation. And after my this law firm experience, I had almost 1 year of uh, gap. I was assisting my family business. I was assisting my father in my family business and everything. And then I started my journey, my Canada journey then. So firstly, I applied for HRM at Fanshawe College, and I got refusal for that. I know that my SOP was bad, my presentation was bad. I didn't upload all the documents properly with my SOP and everything.
Right.
And
Let me interrupt you here. So, can you confirm like who recommended you to go for HR, or how did you take that decision for going for HR?
So, so through YouTube channels and through Google, I searched a lot. And my real sister, she is a permanent resident in Canada. So she was like, there's a lot of scope for HR in Canada, and you have already done BBA and LLB. So you can link your course to HRM, and you can perform better. And if you get a job here in HR field, it's good. It's great. So yeah, so that was my main concern then.
And you also mentioned that you worked in Bombay High Court. I think even after the internship, you worked full time with some lawyer, right? So
Yes,
you
sir.
okay. And what was the designation you call it? Like you worked in?
Associate. I was working as an associate with a law firm then. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
So after the unfortunate refusal, then what research did you do, and what was going through your mind? It was something you never expected, but unfortunately happened. So what was going through your mind then? Like what steps did you take?
so I never expected that I can get a refusal. See, so I had good IELTS score. I had good work experience, good grades and everything. But that period, everyone was getting a refusal and everything. So I started researching a lot, and then I came across your videos on YouTube, and I was like, Navdeep sir is confident about his work. He knows his work and everything, and he is confident if he can get a visa after getting six refusals, four refusals, and with backlogs. So why not? And then I gave you a call, and I called you, and you were like, we can get your visa. You were so confident. You were so confident that we will definitely get your visa. And I was like, sir, the trend is negative. This is positive, and this is that. And you were like, Ki, we do not care about all these things. We care about your profile, your file, your presentation, and we will do our best so that you get a visa, and we will do whatever till you get your visa. So I was very confident. So I talked to my parents, and I was like, and I got a refusal. I don't want to continue with the previous consultant. I want to go with Navdeep sir, and they were very supporting. My family was very supportive during this 6 months also. Till I got my visa, I didn't sleep properly. Yesterday was the only night when I slept properly. I slept like a baby yesterday. So yeah, it all thanks to you. All thanks to you. Your SOP, it was on point, as in how to link. So It was all on point. The presentation, the SOP, everything. So we changed our course to from HRM to MBA as well, right?
Right.
So you helped me, yeah.
I think the only reason we were confident because of your academic background. You have good percentage, and your IELTS score was also fine. So from academic standpoint, you really deserved a visa. You also worked throughout, though there was a 1 year gap. But we sort of could have explained, and then you also started a new job as well. So
Yes, sir.
I think from that standpoint, you deserved it. You definitely qualified to get it, but it was just that the wrong program, and also the unemployment period was not explained properly, I guess. So I think that was the reason initially. So then we also the link between your experience and the program was not established. So we needed that bridge to basically corroborate the fact that you will be justifying the career progression. So I think with the job that you started recently, and then with the program, it sort of ticked all the right boxes. So yeah, that was the only science, and it was simple. And I thank you that you trusted that the rational and theory, and and it worked out. So many congratulations to you, sir, for the success. And and you recently got the approval, right? So when did you saw the update? Was it during the night? Was it during the day? What were you doing at that time? So,
So I knew that, see, yeah, so I knew 11th, 12th April, it has already started. So I knew I can get my visa anytime in this week or next week. So anyway, I was not sleeping at night. So I was continuously checking, and I got my BVL around 1:15 or something. And within 3-4 minutes, I got my PPR around 1:20. So I didn't believe it. I didn't believe it. Oh my God, I got it. And then I was so happy. I was so happy. I started jumping. Then so I went to my parents' room and they were sleeping, and I was like, "Hey, let's not disturb them right now. It's already 1:30. Let's not disturb them. I'll wait." So I called my sister
in
who is in
Canada.
Canada. Yeah, so I called her. She was so happy. She was so happy. She was like, "Okay, finally, it's done." Because she knew the struggle, and she knew that everyone is getting refusal. Even she told me that I have heard that a lot of people they're getting refusals and everything. But I was like, no, I am confident. I'll get it. I'll get it. She was so happy. The next morning, when I told my parents, they started crying. My mom, she started crying, and of course it was an emotional thing for her. She was praying a lot since 6 months, and they have seen me at my lowest during these 6 months, so it was good. And
It's a
so
life
now,
changing decision. Yeah, yeah. So parents definitely support you, and firstly they pray that you get it, and once you have got it, now there's another that if you leave, then they're gonna miss you. So it's there here and there. Things go with the family. So I'm so happy that eventually whatever they prayed for,
it was all because of you and your hard work, whatever. So when I saw the presentation, the proper presentation which you sent me, it was on point. As in, I was like, "Ki, no visa officer can reject this presentation and this SOP." So once you see the SOP and once you see the presentation, I was like, "Ki, oh my God, I am getting my visa." It was on point. It was on point.
right. So there are many other students also who are probably going through the same phase, and now you have learned probably throughout the process. Seen refusal and approval also. So, what piece of advice in terms of going for right program or preparing well, for the other students so that they can prepare well. So, any piece of advice would be helpful, sir, from you.
So there's only one piece of advice, which is the most important advice, is choose your consultant very properly and very nicely. Because if you mess with your choosing, if you mess with choosing your consultant, you cannot. So So the way you handled my case, the way you explained me why you should do this, no consultant will do that. No consultant will help you to draft your SOP from scratch. No consultant will help you to to keep that presentation in line. You asked for every document. You were like, I want your property documents, I want your CA documents, I want all the funds and everything, I want travel history and everything. No consultant will help you to do that. So choosing the right consultant is important. And I was so grateful that I saw your videos and I got in connect with you, and I chose this for my study visa. I am very happy, and probably I'll. So I've already. So after doing that, I've already referred your name to a lot of students, which they are actually taking your services. So even they are happy, and they always say this: he's the only one who can do all this. No other consultant will help you, and they'll guide you to how to do all this and everything. You know what I'm talking about. So yes, sir. So that's the only thing.
Thank you very much for the advice and thank you very much for all the support throughout the process, throughout the preparation. I'm so happy that you remained calm, throughout. That I really appreciate. Yeah, and we worked and it was very smooth, and you just trusted it and you just, definitely trusted us, and then accordingly we were able to give our 200%. But it was in your destiny, and that's why you've got it. It was the time has now come, and now you have to fly, and that's why you got it. So it was all the right time that comes sometimes a bit late. So many congratulations to you,
Thank you.
sir, and
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
very happy for you, very happy, and I wish you great luck further. And you're gonna reunite with your sister, and I wish you great luck further in your life in Canada and your studies. I wish you great luck. In case of any questions further, any help, please feel free
Sure,
to
sir.
just
Sure, sir.
be here and
So for
everything.
my parents' visa as well, we are going to contact you. They will contact you now, and they'll also get the visa soon. I'll hope.
Sure, no problem. All right, Mr. Pratyush, thank you very much. I'm so happy that you've got it again, and thank you for taking time and having a conversation, sir. Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.